Hi everyone, so I'm back. Yeah, I just closed Link because Bitcoin seems to have made a bullish retest. I'm just gonna assume it's gonna hold. Yeah, I stopped Link with the stop button, but it's still alright. So yeah, my current plan is just to look at the strongest. I think Phil, APT. So yeah, the most important thing now is to just monitor which ones look the strongest. I think all of them could go towards their resistance. Yeah, so first I'm just gonna start these. Fill the remainder of the slots and weights with Ethereum, and yeah, let's just add Yuma as well. Fuck it. Then we have the entire list. And yeah, the ones that prove themselves to be the strongest, I'll add more weight to later on. But first, we're just gonna run these and see. Yeah, so now it's important to remove ETH, because as you can see we have excess weight. We're just gonna remove ETH, and with this 12 weight we could distribute more weight to the instruments below. Yeah, I think we're gonna get some cycles on this, so I'm just gonna start all of them. And as you can see, our hodl zone is 41.3, which is not a lot, but because Bitcoin is showing strength, and I think this is the beginning of a bullish retest, kinda expect to make money. So yeah, we're already in the money. Great. Yeah, now it's just a patience game again. Yeah, a lot of coins are looking very good for upside. Right now it's just gonna, yeah, we're just gonna keep track which ones are strongest. By keeping track of the profit. I think we're not running GRT. Oh, we are. Okay. It's all good. Yeah, so we made around 40 bucks today, I guess. It's it's not a lot, but we might make a lot of money tonight. I mean, if Bitcoin were to deviate further down, maybe towards the trend line, or just to sweep the daily open and all the liquidity below, we might get some nice filled bags, and all these alts will probably reset. So yeah, I mean, they all look good in my opinion. Let's look at funding. Yeah, funding is looking disgusting. Wow. Okay. I mean, I'm used to seeing high positive funding post halving. Like, funding can be negative for months without getting reset, as long as Bitcoin is making higher prices. As I can tell, this was a first attempt at breaking out. So, like I mentioned in previous streams and also the highlights on YouTube, this area is basically the resistance keeping us from new all-time highs. So there's a huge interest and some sort of magnet in here that attracts liquidity. So a lot of people are speculating that we're gonna see higher prices this year. Yeah, I'd like to agree with those people. And since we're so close, it's kind of a given that we will dip into this area. I think it could be soon, and then it's very likely going to be a rejection at first, like we have seen before. But we could also make a higher low, which would mean progress, and we could actually break out into price discovery. And with price discovery, all major alts will first just be stable. They won't do a lot, but once Bitcoin stabilizes higher, it's very likely some altcoins will go 20% to 40%, maybe in a day. So that's what we're basically building this API for, to without too much work be exposed to a potential breakout. But even if we reject, this algo is built to be a trend follower, that is built to also deal with corrections. So yeah, if they all fail, if Bitcoin gets rejected, maybe even here, although I think it's unlikely, the bags will just fill and we'll make more profit. Yeah, so the risk is all calculated. So yeah, now it's just a waiting game and to see which API, which instrument performs the best. And we might get rid of some, add some more weight to others. Like, this is a very strong reaction on the lower time frame. But now it just has to sustain. Yeah. Let's see what we get. Kind of curious about UMA, because there's not a lot of volume in UMA and Kraken. It might go a little crazy on us. Let's see. Yeah, I'll be back recording another highlight once something significant happens. But for now, yeah, like I said, it's just gonna be a waiting game.